One of the keys to productivity is the accuracy of finished products. The ability to consistently achieve the final tolerances and the surface finish your components require. With aluminium, this is a particular challenge. Aluminium and aluminium alloys are notoriously difficult to machine precisely, and as tolerances become tighter, precision is exactly what's required. I'll show you what I mean. Because aluminium is a softer metal, machining it can cause material to build up at the point of cut. When it does, precision and surface finish are compromised. That means waste and extra cost. So Castrol have created Alusol. Castrol Alusol is formulated with innovative non-stick additives that are delivered to the point of cut in a very accurate way. The balanced formulation allows the fluid droplets to fully wet the surface and delivers the non-stick additives between the cutting edge and the workpiece to prevent metal buildup. With Castrol Alusol, you can achieve the precision you need with all kinds of aluminium machining, even on complex components. And more precision means more productivity. Castrol Alusol, precision performance in aluminium machining.